Just vibe trader. Welcome people. Welcome. I open alright, you know. I open doing okay. Janu, not a good look for Ritical. My viewers, subscribers. Me even go spend no more time chatting or nothing like that. So watching my people, Ritical went back to court today. But watching Janu, it was never a good look. He was hoping that he would probably get bail today, or at least get a chance to come out of the jail cell. But guess what now? Him remanded until next month again. Same thing happened to Tamale. Now, this kinda put a little halt on him career because Ritical has a lot of unfinished music. You get me? He was also working on an EP as well. Prominent artists just coming up and thing, and for this reach him, it no look good, my people. So one would already aware that Ritical was charged with illegal possession of firearm and ammunition early last month, sorry, and he was then taken into custody, or rather. So we heard that he was supposed to get bail last week Friday, but it still never worked out as the bail application was rejected by the court. Now he returned today, and the lawyer was trying to actually get a bail for him as well. And they must say, you know, no, this can't go work, you know. Can't try back next month, the 4th. Now, he will return to court on the 4th of March again, which, Janu, my people, as me can tell you know, me hate them things when them things they reach artists where have talent. Like Ritical, I want them man they have natural talent, me I tell you. And a biased thing, like if you are listening to this right now, you and me know what's Ritical, one of them prominent artists them where come do whole heap of things. You see, like him is just a few man them just naturally talented, lyrically speaking. Right? Now, me never look to himself and I say, yo, Janu. What is me get myself in? And also, you guys would have probably heard of my last video I did on this matter. Like, it's lawyers were saying that here, on a film gun. You see it, on a film gun. You see it, as somebody left it in the vehicle, and all kind of things. But, well, what? Guess what? The court was not ready to buy the argument because they were questioning, alright, since on a film gun, wait in a vehicle, like, whose gun? Them can't give an answer to that. No, so that there and then kind of have a whole heap of loophole, a whole heap of fallacy when it make no sense. Because if, alright, let's say on a film strap, right? Like, for one, and you know Jamaican, you know the snitching thing, and a part of the dancehall culture. If you do a whole heap of artists who don't know about snitch, you get me? You're not going to get the man them for calling a name. So therefore, Ritical have to just know, say, yo, hold it and hope for the best. Like, it not look good. As me say in a prior video to this, in Tamale situation, and now we are talking about Ritical, it don't look good for a man, and me I talk generally, not only artists. It not look good for no say, yo, you have a court date, every time you go to court, you keep on a remand, I get remand. Like, to me, no man no want in a them position there. You want to know when you go to court, it's either this or that. You don't want to hear say, yo, it put off until next month, until 2 months. No. But then again, what can you do? No. As me said, we just have to hope for the best for Ritical because yo, me rate the youth, and me as a man, there's a very few dancehall artists who me rate, and from you have talent, naturally, I go rate you. Every time when you come telling me get the Vybz Kartel in props, yeah, because that man is naturally talented, Alkaline also, and just to name other few, you get me? So Ritical is among the artists that me rate. So when me hear this happen to him, I say, yo, Janu, like, yo, me I hope it no go so. But the turnout it was, you see, them find the shop in them vehicle with ammunition, so you know, he might look for at least 5 years, depending on the argument where him lie them come up with. You get me? As you can see with Laden, the artist there, him get 6 years. He might probably do 4.5, depending on how him behave in a jail or whatsoever the circumstance is. You get me? But definitely not a good look for the artist. And you might hear me say this time and time again. Yo, the artists them need for wise up and know say you watching know the system are found. You get me? Like the system are found, so now if you know what do and watch the things them. But in a critical situation, my viewers and subscribers just have to wish for the best and hope in bust the case. I have to wait until March the 4th. Him lie them to them. I'll try bail again. Let's see if the court will grant that bail or then will reject it as what they did last week Friday. So, my viewers, subscribers, without any further ado, comment what you think about the situation now. And I have a follow video for do with family. But until next time, just vibes, radio. I'm out.